Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Activating Office 365 using the command prompt is an efficient way to manage your software license without using a graphical interface. This method is helpful if you encounter activation errors or need to automate the process on multiple computers. First, you must open the command prompt as an administrator. Right-click the Start button and select the Admin option. Now you need to locate your Office installation folder. Most users will find it in the Program Files directory under Microsoft Office and then Office 16. Type the Change Directory command followed by this file path. Once you are in the correct folder, you will use the script named ospp.vbs. This script handles all license tasks. You should first enter your product key using the input key command. After you have entered the key, you need to tell the system to contact the activation servers. Type the activation command and press enter. The system will process your request and display the results on the screen. If the process is successful, you will see a message saying the product activation was successful. You can also verify the status by running the status command. This will show you the remaining days of your license and the current activation type. Using CMD provides a clear look at what is happening behind the scenes. It avoids many common bugs found in the standard login window. This technical approach ensures your Office suite is ready for daily use. Always ensure you have a stable internet connection before starting. This method works for most modern versions of the Microsoft Productivity Suite. Your software is now fully active.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.